Family and friends turned out in their numbers in order to pay their final respect to Dean Griffiths, the Seprod Group's dairy farms facilities manager, who was viciously shot on the compound and succumbed to his injuries days after. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It was an emotional moment for the family and friends who gathered at the Spalding Seventh-day Adventist Church in Spalding, Clarendon for the funeral service for Dane Griffiths, the Seprod Group Dairy Farms Facilities manager who lost his life during a robbery at the company's facility. Dane, who was a past student of the Spalding's primary school and a past student of the Spalding's high school, now renamed the Alphonsus Davis High School, was remembered during an emotional church service as a kind and loving individual. In paying tribute to her son, Dean Griffiths' mom took the time in order to reflect on the life of Dean Griffiths and also the wonderful memories that they shared together.
It says, in loving memory of my son, Dean. I hide my tears when I say your name, but the pain in my heart is still the same. Although I smile and seem carefree, there's no one who misses you more than me. Of all the special gifts of life, however great or small, to have you as my son was the greatest gift of all. A special time, a special face, a special son we can't replace. With an aching heart, I whisper, I miss you, my son, and I love you so much. I wish I could wake up and see you standing there. Then I would know that it was just a nightmare. I remember when you were small and how you hold my hand. And as you grew older, you became my best friend, my biggest support system. You are always there when I call. I was your accountant, your business partner. You ensured that I was never in need of anything. You never came to see me without taking something for me. You made me celebrate my birthdays in style. I used to love when you take me to Little Ochi. I had the choice of whatever I wanted. I will miss preparing your meals to take back to St. Thomas. It was a joy doing meal preparation just for you. How can I forget when you receive those phone calls that I'm not feeling well? By the time that call is made, you are here. You stand by me in thick and thin. I miss those early morning calls, the midday calls, and the late night calls just to let me know that you are okay. I have 42 years of memories that I will treasure and keep safe in my heart. We share a bond that time and distance can never break apart. Oh, how my heart aches. I would love to have you back and never let you go. Where there was happiness, now there is sadness. Son, how I long to hear your voice and see your beautiful smile and have you back even just for a little while. My grandsons, Tylen and Tariq, I love you both so much. And I promise to do my very best to ensure that you are both okay. Being fed in scripture. Though he slay me, yet will I trust in him. But I will remain eternal life that God gives us. Our courage comes from knowing the good things that are in store for all of us who know and trust in Jesus Christ. Jesus takes the sting and the fear and the power out of death. Christ has disarmed death, defeated it decisively. He did this by his own death on our behalf. I am looking forward to that day when death itself shall die. Sleep in peace, my son.
Griffiths was shot on the compound of Surge Island Farms about 2:30 p.m. on Tuesday, January 17. He was rushed to the Princess Margaret Hospital in Morant Bay for treatment and was later transferred to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he succumbed to his injuries on Friday, January 20. The motive is robbery, according to the police, and his licensed firearm was also stolen during the attack. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to offer our sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.